In the heart of China's technological revolution, a haunting specter has emerged. A graveyard of electric vehicles, a silent testament to the ambitions and failures of a nation. Imagine a world where the future of transportation is not just a dream, but a reality, only to be discarded like yesterday's news. This is the story of China's electric vehicle graveyards, a stark contrast to the vibrant, futuristic cities it aspires to be. 1. The rise and fall. The Chinese government's ambitious plan to dominate the electric vehicle market was fueled by a desire for technological supremacy and environmental responsibility. Massive subsidies and infrastructure investments transformed the nation into a global hub for electric vehicle production. However, the rapid expansion led to overproduction, with more electric vehicles being manufactured than the market could absorb. The once promising future began to unravel. 2. The graveyards. The graveyards are a stark reminder of the industry's excesses. Millions of electric vehicles, their batteries slowly deteriorating, lie forgotten in the vast expanse of the Chinese countryside. These are not simply discarded vehicles. They represent a colossal waste of resources and a significant environmental hazard. The lithium-ion batteries in these cars, while crucial for their performance, can be hazardous if not disposed of properly. 3. The economic fallout. The failure of the Chinese electric vehicle industry has had a devastating impact on the economy. Countless companies have filed for bankruptcy, leaving thousands of workers unemployed. The economic ripple effect has extended beyond the automotive industry, affecting related sectors such as battery manufacturing, charging infrastructure, and supply chains. 4. The government's role. The Chinese government, which once championed the electric vehicle revolution, is now grappling with the consequences of its policies. While efforts have been made to address the issue, the scale of the problem is immense. The government is exploring various strategies, including subsidies for EV purchases, incentives for recycling, and stricter regulations to prevent future overproduction. 5. The future of electric vehicles. Despite the setbacks, the electric vehicle revolution is not over. The technology continues to evolve, with advancements in battery life, charging speed, and autonomous driving. The key to success lies in a more balanced approach, one that prioritizes market demand, responsible production, and sustainable practices. The electric vehicle graveyards are a sobering reminder of the challenges and complexities of technological progress. However, they also represent an opportunity for China to learn from its mistakes and build a more sustainable and resilient future. As the world continues to transition to a low-carbon economy, the electric vehicle revolution will undoubtedly play a crucial role. The future of transportation may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: the ghost towns of today must not become the desolate landscapes of tomorrow.